The spit spray can be found under SASSE Library, Effects, Reactions. We can drag and drop that into our scene. And when we hit play, we'll see that classic sort of, characters yelling spit spray effect. It has the ability to align to a camera so that it will, slow down and maintain its billboard orientation no matter where the camera's pointing. We have points in a grid, or sorry, this is points around a circle. So these are the actual points that determine how circular this is. So yeah, when we take that down, you can see it's triangles, squares into circles. This is the radius of the circles overall. Grid size is horizontal and vertical width of the grid that these are being instanced on, subdivisions, and displacement. I'm not sure that this necessarily works that well with this effect, but you've got it anyway if you want it. You can change the color and then the speed factor for how fast they move.